In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Mighty Networks account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account, and then you want to go to the top right here on your profile icon, and you want to click on Personal Settings. Inside here, you want to go to the Account tab, and then inside the Account tab, as you can see at the bottom here, there's going to be a big button which says Deactivate My Account, and if you want to permanently delete your account, you can just click on over here. It's going to take you to a separate page here, and as you can see, currently I can't actually delete my account because I am the creator of this network and it's not going to allow me. However, if you're not the creator, you'll be able to basically delete your account by clicking over here, or just deactivate it by clicking over here. Now, of course, to be able to do this, to be able to see this button, you'll have to have more than just yourself as a host of the community you're currently in. So to be able to deactivate it and to see this button, you first must add a different host or different admin. Before you do that, you actually won't be able to see this button at all. So make sure you watch my other video on how to do that, because I do have it, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.